My name's Eric, and welcome to Karbon Kings.
Help me. I've torn my meniscus.
Russ, what are you doing on the floor? You ate too much?
No, I can no.
No, it's in your mouth.
I swear to God.
Oh, wasted a breast stick? Pull out of your ass. What? No!
Please hear me.
What? Help you out? All right. I'm helping. No, I'm helping you. Ah, you son of a bitch. You just look ridiculous.
Stop. No, not in my beard.
Try your ear. Try your ear.
Okay, that's not
Tell me when to let go.
Just drop it. I
didn't even let go all the way.
You tell me when. Fucking suck. Oh, you fucking whore. Congratulations! Yeah, baby!
It says Toby. Fuck yeah, get a picture. Happy retirement, Toby. What does that say? Did that say welcome, baby?
Welcome, baby.
You're having a.
Oh my God. I love you guys. That's crazy.
I hope you find the cure soon. Wow, it's really gonna take that long?
Everything down.
Love you, dog.
Get a picture of us. We all gotta line up behind him.
What happens when you?
No. You put that down. You put that down. Literally, put it down. We're gonna take a group photo. So sit down.
Sit down.
A few moments later.
Let it happen.
I knew it was coming.
I love it.
I'll pull up Bonnie and Clyde. I'll hold him. I got one hand on him.
Put it on his face. Put it on his face.
It needs to happen.
Fucking way.
I'm just kidding.
Yo, this is Sean. You're watching the Disney Channel. We're Karbon Kings.
My daddy.
Yo, what's up, you guys? Just in case you didn't know, we released a bunch of new shirt design, and we have Be King, the gangster-looking cool one, which I like. That's my personal favorite. And then we have a coilover design, and inside that design says a bunch of bullshit you kind of hear in the car scene, which I like. They're going for about 25 bucks on our website. You can literally look in the description. It's the first link you see. And if you guys are enjoying this video whatsoever, don't forget to leave a like. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe if you're feeling edgy, and favorite the video if you're an absolute legend. What came in?
Carbon fiber.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He on X Games mode. Now the real test. What's up?
Your knife is whiff right now.
What?
No.
Did you fart? Oh my god. Now you're probably wondering, what's the shit pipe? The shit pipe is literally this long pipe with shit that runs through our garage. Occasionally, and at completely random, that shit stinks. When I say stinks, it fucking stinks. Your tea's ready.
Your tea's ready.
Whoa, that's some power.
How's this gonna fit?
Get a fucking extension.
Oh, imagine if he said that without swearing. Crazy, right?
Oh, hey, Braden's doing cool stuff.
Making an exhaust there, bud?
I am. I don't want this recorded because it looks like ass. Oh, we got a storm of brewing. It's so dark that it's blue. Wow, that's dark. It's hitting now. Oh my god. What is happening? We were just outside. Ah, get your car out of here. Oh my god. What is going on? Oh god, it's starting to rain. Move the cars, move the cars. What are you doing? Oh, it's getting cold and rain. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, I'm getting really wet. I'm getting really wet. I'm getting really wet.
Oh my God, it's really raining! Oh my God, what is happening? What is happening? Help me!
I don't know where my keys are for my bag.
Probably in your bag.
This is not good.
Oh, stay here, my God! Shut the door! You fucking asshole! I don't know where my keys are! This episode of What's Fucked Up. This fucked up!
I need to go upstairs. My vape's upstairs.
Oh fuck, my phone's upstairs.
You want upstars with me?
I'll go with you.
No, you're gonna ruin your camera.
I will. Yeah. Oh my God.
I love you guys.
Oh my God, I can't go up there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! It hurts. Is it hailing? Oh, it is hailing. No, it's not. Yeah, look at the ground. Look. Oh my God, that's hail. That's hail. That's hail. That's hail.
It's raining.